How to change currency on Wix website. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change currency on Wix website. So the first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you have to navigate through to your settings in your site dashboard, and you can locate your settings by moving to the left side of the screen where you see a side menu. Just scroll down until you see uh settings. So this is settings. Click on it. So once you've clicked on it, locate the language and region option. This is it. Click on it. So once you've clicked on language and region option, it will take you to the language and regions page. Now on this page, scroll down until you see site currency. Just scroll down. Yeah, this is the currency here. So once you're here, you will see the right top, choose the currency you have set for payment, and that people see on your site. So for me, this is Naira because I reside in Nigeria currently. So for you to change the currency, just click on the arrow next to the Naira icon, or the currency icon you are using, and then a box will be displayed showing you different currencies. All right, just scroll down and select the one you want to change it to. Okay, just scroll down, and once you've seen the one you want, click on it this way, and then change your currency. Make sure that payment providers that operate your location are able to accept. First click on got it, and then click on the save icon here. So that is it. That is how you can change currency on your Wix website. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.